सब अच्छे होंगे. This is me Zagti Gupta and welcome back to my YouTube channel which is Rise and Shine. Guys, in this video जैसा कि आपको प्रीवियस वीडियो में दिख चुका होगा, we are going to unbox and review Zudio products. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. I'm sure guys आप सबको ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छी लगेगी, तो watch till the end and do like, share, comment and subscribe. So guys, this is the bag. We are going for the first review, the makeup products, and then after clothes and outfits. So guys, this one is my first product. So this is Zudio Nail Polish Remover Wipes enriched with vitamin E, aloe vera, olive oil, acetone free. 59 rupees only. So let's see how is this product, it is working or not. Final look, and this is my nail. So guys, it took me 1 minute to remove this nail paint from my nail, as you can see. So I can say that in 50 rupees this one is one of the best product. And let me show you, this is the okay. Let's talk about these eye products. So I got this intense Kajal enriched with vitamin A, smudge proof in 80 rupees, and this one is good. And the next one is this eyeliner enriched with argan oil, smudged proof, waterproof, and it cost me 99 rupees. And what I like about this eyeliner, the shade of eyeliner, and this one is so trendy. So मुझे चाहिए था, that's why I bought this. So I just love these products even. Next one is these lipstick which I bought, and this one is lip oil. It contains 3, but one I gifted to my sister. So I used this lip oil. It is good to moisturize your lip, but it will also darken your lips, so not a good idea, and it cost me 200 rupees. So I will not recommend it to you to use. And this one is tinted lip crayon. So this one is also very good because it will moisturize and it will give you a very classy set to your lips. You see, देखो, I used a very little bit, but still it gives a result. So this one is also a good idea for you to buy. And this one is a lipstick. I used this lipstick and it was also very good, and this is nude in color. And the next one is this foundation stick enriched with vitamin C and vitamin E. So this one is honey 02 foundation shade, and packaging is good. This is a very easy way to use foundation and I like this, but this is for your regular use, not for the party, because इसकी जो coverage है is for regular use, not for शादी, party, etc. And let me show you the shade. As I showed you, this will give you a medium coverage, not full coverage. So this one is good for daily use, but not for the party wear. And it cost me, wait a minute, it cost me 199 rupees. आपको कैमरे में शायद ना दिखे. Yeah, it cost me 200 rupees. So you can go for it. Sunscreen wipe with SPF 15, and in this there is 10 usable wipes, and it cost me 50 rupees. So if you are traveling purpose, it is a good idea to have this sunscreen wipes. So it will protect you from UV rays, and जैसा आप sunscreen use करते हो, you can use it as the same way to your exposed part like face, neck, etc. So this one is also a very good product you can buy from Zudio. Now the next one is this Zudio Moisturiser Makeup Remover Wipes Vitamin C Biodegradable, and in this there is 10, and it cost me even 49 rupees, and this one is good. Yeah, this one is good, you can definitely go for it. Last one which I just love, this is Zudio Glow Up Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. This one is foaming face wash. So if you are using that regular face wash, you can go for this one. This one is something new. It gives my skin a very glowy, lightweighted and shiny, so you can go for this one. This one is very, very, very useful, and it cost me only 150 rupees. Last one is very, very, very beautiful and aesthetic. This one is this hair bands, which I just love, and trendy, and I just love all these colors. So the first one is this baby pink color rubber band, and it is definitely good because इससे आपके बाल टूटते नहीं हैं जब आप बाल को ओपन करते हो. And the second one is this beautiful. I can use this in party wear etc. मेरे पास एक white color की थी which I lost, so that's why I bought this. And the most beautiful one is this. This one is shiny and looking so classy. I can use in party wear dresses, so I bought all this, and it cost me only 100 rupees, 100 for 3. So you can go for all this. So guys, let's talk about the tops which I got from Zudio. The first one is this top. This one is basically, wait a minute, this one is basically a crop top. So इसकी जो price है वो काफ़ी affordable है, and clothing material is also good and काफ़ी stylish है. And what I like about this top is color combination. This looks so beautiful and trendy. Second one is one of my favorite because of color. Pink is my favorite color these days, not all the time. एक time पे black was my favorite color. So this one is so stylish. You can see this is front. Yeah, this is front, and this one is back. You can see one is back. Yes, and यहाँ पे बैक पे ये आपको कुछ नोट करने के लिए दिया है, which wait a minute, I can note for you so that you will get more accurate idea about this top. So this one is back. Yeah, this one is back, and price is 599. Pretty pink top. I bought this top because of so many reasons. The first one is this color is so pretty, and the second one is the stylish, and the third one is I can use it as top on sari, on skirt, in multiple different way. So I bought this, and price was also affordable for each and every one. आई एम श्योर कि आप सबको ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी, तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. एंड तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.